Hey everyone, I'm Caitlin of Parlez Pals, and today we're going to look at j'ai, hâte, que, for when you're looking forward to something someone else does or something else does. Mainly these are things kind of out of your control, like the weather, for example. If you want to know more about j'ai, hâte, que, go to my longer video explaining it all. In this video, we are purely doing examples of j'ai, hâte, que. So if you're looking forward to someone coming to you, you could say j'ai hâte que tu viennes. J'ai hâte que tu viennes. I'm looking forward to you coming. Equally, if you can't wait for the weather to be nice again, you could say j'ai hâte qu'il fasse beau. J'ai hâte qu'il fasse beau. And that is it for this video. If this helps you, hit the thumbs up. It keeps the channel going. Thank you so much for watching. In the comments, try writing your own j'ai hâte que.